Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia from Kasi Panda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic acute angle PC. I was always persuaded that there were many PCs just the same, typically a square shell with just the colors more or less discrete. But then I got one that changed the ideas, the acute angle AAB4 PC, a device that has a triangular design and is pretty enough to be used in the office as a piece of decoration. Design: the extreme angle comes along with its own cloth carrying case, unlike anything you have seen before. Its names give a definite indication of what makes it so special. It has the form of equilateral triangle and is constructed of aluminium and wood aircraft. The cool part is that it could be put up horizontally or vertically. And the sad part is it cannot be put up behind the screen. But then again, why cover what is one of the best built mini PC that we have ever seen so far? Acute angle PC specifications. Processor: Intel Celeron N3450 quad-core processor. System memory: 8 GB LPDDR3 RAM. Storage: 64 GB eMMC 5.1 flash. Video output: HDMI 2.0A up to 4K at rate 60 Hz. Audio: 3.5 audio jack, HDMI digital audio output. Network and wireless connectivity: Gigabit Ethernet, dual band 802.11a/b/g/n/AC Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.0 LE, USB 3x USB 3.0 ports, power supply 12 volt per 3A, dimensions 25.50 by 25.50 by 4.00 cm, weight 660 grams. Predictions: this new computer is surely futuristic. That means they are developed keeping in mind the updates that could be made in the future. Introduction to 5G is a great example of this. Other specs: the looks are amazing, due to which there is a possibility that many type of audience may be attracted to it. Previously, it has amazed us by launching revolutionary computers in order to compete with other computer brands in the global market. Putting in simple words, it is a brand that can be trusted for its name. Performance: in my personal use, I noticed that acute angle PC, for example, already shows some delay in loading heavy pages with 5 to 7 tabs open in the new web browser. And of course, I did a little study of games. I had to the result to 720 pixels with no graphical effects in Horizon Chess Turbo, and then the game was completely functional but not yet in the best results. Something identical happened in the HD edition of StarCraft Remastered, which has released not long ago. Classic video game emulators were moving really well, and 4K videos were running on YouTube too. Last but not the least, conclusion. My final opinion is positive. Architecture is a great. It looks very good on the table in terms of specifications. It is complete. Performance does not really seem to offer the limit, but it is adequate for the kind of usage offered to the product category, which is simple. It normally costs anything similar to USD 200 range, so the pricing is suitable. In my opinion, acute angle PC is a device for those who want something special from normal window mini PCs to take into consideration. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe and share my channel, and don't forget to write a valuable comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone.